Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along Bob Iacchino. Bitcoin not doing much, holding the rotation zone. You see coming down, testing it here. Have to update the levels. That's the main reason we're doing this video. Right now we're trading against the key resistance. You see it spiked up here all the way to 666.31, but we're really watching the close. Get in the habit of really watching closes in the candle bodies versus the wicks or tails. See, we're hitting again key resistance. If we get a close above 6,500, we'll start watching then for 6,600 again. Then the next level is the upside, 67.28, 68.25. Key support now coming in. We're going to be watching the 63.40 level. If we get below 63.40, we'll start watching for the bigger pullback. Next major level down is about 62.71 and then around 61.74. Taking a look at the daily chart. See here, still caught. Now the moving averages are getting tight, and so we're going to start ignoring the rotation zone. It's going to be a breakout from this range. The low end, we're going to be watching about this 68.50. The upper end, the close above 67.60. So those are the two key areas we're watching for a close above or below to determine the next breakout area. Switching over to Ethereum. Have to update the levels. Also, make sure you update these levels. Sometimes I do them before the bar is closed, and then we get some kind of bar like that, and it's the levels are inaccurate. First, cross rotation zone coming up, rotating back up, running against right now up against key level 135.50. Above there, 136.95, 138.42, then 140 to the upside. Key support. We have some minor support at the low of this bar, about 132. Major support coming in at 130.40 area. So if we drop below that, we'd start then watching for 128.20 and then the 125.50. But right now it's still favoring the upside. Taking a look at the daily chart. Daily chart still against the rotation zone. This is different from Bitcoin because Bitcoins have gone flat. This is not. So on a rally above 140, top of the rotation zone coming in about 144. So on any major rally, that's the area. Do not ignore right around this 140. We've had a lot of price rejection from there. That's what we have for you on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.